everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the essential features and benefits of non-woven suit covers, which are specifically designed to protect your valuable suits and garments. These covers offer convenience, durability and style. At Lichybees Exim, we take pride in crafting non-woven suit covers that exceed expectations. Using advanced materials and precision manufacturing, each cover is designed to preserve the integrity of your suits while adding a touch of elegance to your wardrobe. Whether you are storing a single suit or multiple garments, our covers come in various sizes to accommodate your needs. From compact travel sizes to full-length options, there is a perfect fit for every occasion. Our non-woven fabric are not only lightweight and breathable but are also resistant to dust, moisture and wrinkles. This ensures that your suits remain in original condition whether they are stored in a closet, suitcase or garment bag. Customers love how our suit covers simplify their travel and storage routines. The durable construction and thoughtful design make it easy to organize and protect their wardrobe essentials from business trips to special occasions. Whether you are a frequent traveler, a business professional, or simply someone who values quality storage solutions, Lichybees Exim's non-woven suit covers are a must-have addition to your closet. So, are you ready to upgrade your suit storage with Lichybees Exim's non-woven suit covers? If yes, then contact us today on the number given below or visit our website and explore our full range of products and experience the difference in garment care. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such products. Be innovative. Thank you.